Are you ready to discover the hottest news in the world of cryptocurrency? Well, hold on your hats because we have some exciting information to share with you. Have you heard of zkSync? It's the layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that's taking the whole crypto world by storm. And the best part, they are about to launch an official token airdrop and we have all the details you need to know to make sure you qualify. But wait, there is more. Not only is zkSync providing a scaling solution for Ethereum, but they are doing it in a unique and groundbreaking way, using zero-knowledge proofs to enable private and scalable transactions. This technology is not only innovative, but it's also a game changer for the entire crypto industry.
So hello and welcome to Crypto World Tour with Vijay.
Now, let's get back to the airdrop. To participate, you will need to follow some strategies and take specific steps. The first step is to bridge funds to the zkSync testnet using a native application like Orbiter Finance. I attach all the links in the description. This will allow you to move your Ethereum, USDC and USDT from the mainnet to zkSync for a low fee. This is a small investment that will pay off in the long run. Once you have bridged your funds, head over to the Zigzag Decks to make a trade. This decentralized exchange is the first one deployed on a zkSync and offer transactions at a fraction of the cost of centralized exchanges. And the best part, trading fees are only $1 to $2. Who doesn't love a good bargain? Next, make a gitco donation on zkSync. By supporting open source projects, you not only help the crypto community but also boost your chances of qualifying for the airdrop. Completing a donation was also an eligibility requirement for the Optimism airdrop, so it's tried and tested method. Don't forget to claim your zkSync Faucet token from their portal. You can request up to 0.1 Ethereum worth of ZKS token for free every 24 hours. And if you want to boost your airdrop rewards, you can make a swap on Sync Swap once you claim your Faucet tokens. Lastly, mint an NFT on Mint Square. For less than $1, you can upload any image and mint it as an NFT. Not only is this the fun way to participate in the zkSync community, but it's also a way to earn more tokens. So, there you have it. By following these steps and leveraging zkSync's zero-knowledge proof technology, you can position yourself to receive the most ZK token possible during the upcoming airdrop. We hope you found this guide helpful and good luck with your zkSync journey.